This channel is quietly blowing up right now, and almost no one is talking about it. They're pulling massive numbers: 8.8 million views, 7.6 million, 4.7 million, and even their regular uploads are consistently hitting millions. The craziest part is how simple the concept is. AI-generated clips of tiny remote-control boats moving through realistic water scenes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral clips yourself. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPT section. Search for a miniature boat generator, select one to start, launch it, and it will instantly give you 10 unique ideas. You can choose one by typing its number or create your own custom idea. I'll go with number 5. It will then generate a detailed image prompt, a matching video prompt, and even give you a few extra ideas to continue. Copy the image prompt, head over to Flow AI, create a new project, select image, set the format to vertical 9:16, choose your model, paste the prompt, and generate. Within seconds, you'll get a high-quality image. For better results, create a few variations using different prompts. Then click on Animate, upload your image, keep it in 9:16, paste the video prompt, and generate your clip. In just a few minutes, your AI video will be ready, and the result looks incredibly realistic. If you want more viral AI content ideas like this, make sure you follow AI x Zentra so you don't miss out on what's working right now. I'll see you in the next video.